Hi, all. Good evening to all. This is Manjunath Shivangi. We are in the lesson of statistics. Let's start the class. In that, two methods were, that is mean and mode. Then last one is median of group data. So median. So median is the middlemost observation. So if they given 10 to 20 observation like that, the middlemost observation will be the median. So it is the middlemost is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. Then if they given in the ungrouped data, means if they tell you to find out the median, then if it is n number n, so n is number of observations. It is, if it is odd, then the median will be n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd, even, then median will be average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. So that is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 average observation it will. So median is the middlemost observation in the given data. So in that first example they given, if you find the the given mass obtained, so mass, then number of students. In that they given, first for the median, first we have to change the values in ascending order. Means mass obtained they given in the random order, that is 20, 29, 28. They are in the not in the regular order. So if keep that values in the ascending order. So first will be 20. So mass will be 20. Then next number 25. Then 28. Then 29. Then 33. Then 38. 42. 43. So the mass should be written in the in terms of ascending order. Then number of students correspond to that number. So 26. Then 25 is 20. Then 24. Then 28. Then 15. 4, 2, 1. So they asked you to find the median of this data. So it is number of mass and the number. This is the mass obtained by the students and number of students. So if you want to find the median, first we have to arrange in the ascending order. So I have arranged in the ascending order. Then next step is we have to find the it is n you have to calculate. So n means this frequency, that is frequency is equal to 6 plus 20, 26, 50, 78, 93, 97, 99, 100. So n is 100. So total is, that is a frequency, total frequency or n is equal to 100. So n is even now. So n is even means we have to find the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. So for this table we have to add one more table, that is cumulative frequency table. So how means, this is maths and this is number of students. So corresponding I'll write this one. So cumulative frequency table means first number we have to keep as it is. So number of students 6. Then add to the next number, 6 plus 20, 26. Then 26 plus 24, 50. Then 50 plus 28, 78. 78 plus 50, 93. 93 plus 4 is 97. 97 plus 2 is 99. And 99 plus 1 is 100. So the number of students is 100. So for the cumulative frequency table, you have to add the numbers by next number. 6 is a first number you have to keep as it is. Next number 6 plus 20, 26. Then 26 plus 24. Then 50 plus 28. Then this answer plus next number 15. Then 93 plus 4. 97 plus 2. 99 plus 1. So you got the, this is the cumulative frequency table. Then they told you to find out the median means n is even here. So n is even means n by 2 will be 50. Then n by 2 plus 1 is 51, because n by 2 plus 1 means 100 by 2 plus 1. This is 51. So we got the 50th and 51st observations. We have to find out the average of 50 and 51 observations. So you see the value, where is the 50 and 51? See here 50 is there. So 50 corresponding 50 is there. 50 corresponding value is 20 is there. 28 is there. Mass is 28. So 28. Then 51st means it comes here 51. So 51 means it is 29. So average of 50th and 51st observation. So 50th observation, this is cumulative. You have to compare with cumulative. So cumulative is 50. 50 means it is corresponding mass is 28. Then corresponding to 51 is 29. So 28 plus 29 divided by 2. So the answer will be 28 means 28.5. So the median of this observation of the total mass is 28.5. This indicates that 28.5 mass got students. The median marks means 28.5 conveys that the above 20 the 50% of students got less than 28.5 marks and 50% of the students got 28.5 more marks. So like that you have to analyze it. Then now let us see how to obtain the, this is over for the ungrouped data. So then group data. So when they given the class interval, this is directly they use the mass. So average of n by 2, n plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, because here is the n is in even number. So median is like that. You have to find the cumulative frequency table is ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು cumulative frequency table ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ you have to put as it is, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay, then group data. So this is about ungrouped data. So directly they will give the mass and number of students, and you have to find the cumulative frequency. So frequency is 100, total is 100. So it will be, last number will be 100 only in the cumulative frequency table. So you have to add the numbers. Then average of 50th and 51st. So 50 is presently 28 and 51 is 29. So these average will get the 28.5 mass. This indicates that 50% of the students got 28.5 marks less, and 50% of the students got more than 28.5 marks. This is for ungrouped data. Then if it is for group data, so median of the group data they given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, then 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. So these are the class intervals of that marks. So this is all the marks. Then the group frequency distribution of a mass obtained out of 100. So it is out of 100. Then by 53 students. So total is 53. That is the frequency, number of students. Number of students. So this will be, they given 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8. So 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8. So I written the number of students. Then next column you have to find out the cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency. So for this one, first you have to take. So this is in the class interval 0 to 10, 20 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. So cumulative frequency means you have to, first number you have to keep as it is, then you have to add the numbers. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 29, then 29 plus is 38, 38 plus 7 is 45, 45 plus 8 is 53. So they given total 53 students. This is sigma f, 53 students. So last number will be 53 in the cumulative frequency table. So first number I have to keep as it is, then you have to go on changing the adding the next number. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 total, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, like that. Then we got the cumulative frequency table like this. but 0 to 10. There are two methods. For finding this one, there are two methods. Like that, if you write this one in the less than 10, so how many students got less than 10 means it will be 5. So it will be 5. If it is less than 20, means 5 is there and 3 is there. So less than 20 means 8 students will get less than 20 marks. We are including this 5 and 3 also. Then less than 30. Less than 30 means this 3. So 12. Then less than 40. Like that. Less than 100 means they got 53. 53 students got the less than 100 marks. So this is the less than type. You can write in the more than also. How means in this one less than means it will be 0 to 10. So 10, 20, 30 will be upper limits of the class intervals. 10, 20, 30 will be upper class limit. Why means we are finding from the upper class limit. We are finding from the 0 to 10. So starting from 0 to 10, then 0 to 20, 0 to 30. So like that 10, 20, 30 will be upper limit. So in this method, less than method, it is upper class limit will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Like that only. If you take this one reverse, how means here number of students is there. For that one, more than is there. More than or equal to 0. So if you take more than 0 and or equal to 0 means total will be there. So that will be 53. More than 0 or equal to 0. So if you leave this one, so more than 10 and more than 10 and up to 100. So less than 100. That more than 10 or equal to more than or equal to 10. So more than or equal to 10 this will level. So 53 is there. So 53 minus 5 will be 48. So you get the 48 as the more than 10. Then next one more than 20. So for this one more than 20 means 5 plus 3 8 is, 3 is there. So here 53 is there. 53 minus 5 48. Then 48 minus 3 you have to get 45. So for the 20 it will be 45. Then for 30. So for 30 means 45 remains. 45 minus 4 41. So 45 minus 4 is, so you have to, for the less than you have to the upper limits will be 10, 20, 30. But this only for more than method means the 10, 20 will be in the lower limits. Why means we are writing the more than. So more than means it will be 10 more than. So 10 will be lower limit, because more than means 10, more than 10 means it is 10, 15, 20 like that. So it will be the first term will be the lower limit, that is 10, 20, that will be lower limit. Then like that it will be first 53. Then we have to more than equal to 10 means 10 is there. So equal to 10 means 53 minus 5. Then 48 you got. Then for the 20. So for the 20 means we got 48. So 48 minus 3. So that will give you 45. So that will be more than or equal to 20. Like that 30 means 48 minus 45 minus 4 41. Then 41 minus 3. So you have to decrease in the order. You have to subtract the following values. This is the difference between more than or less than type. So you can do both types. If you find less than or more than, the answer will be same for the median class. Then this will be called as cumulative frequency table. Then this is less than type and this is the more than type. This is less than type and this will be the 13.14 is the more than type. So afterwards, if you write this one, then you have to find out the median. So you have to find the median. So for the median class is to find the value inside a class that divides the whole distribution into two halves, because the median is nothing but middle observation means of it is distributed into of two halves. So like that, to find this class, the given number of students and cumulative frequency, from that we have to first find out the n by 2. So n by 2, n is here 153. So 53 by 2, that will give you 26.5. So you got the value 26.5. So you refer the 26.5 in the cumulative frequency. which is at 26.5 lies. So 26.5 lies in the cumulative frequency of 29. So the corresponding 29 will be 60, 70 is the class interval. 60 is the class interval. Because 26.5 lying in the between 29, but 22 is less. So 26.5 means it will be lying in the 29. So it is corresponding is 60 to 70. Based on this, we have to find the median. So this class is the median class. Based on formula is there to find the median. So median, that will be L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. So the formula for the finding the median class is, this is the median class, 60, 70 class interval will be median class based on that n by 2 value. Then median formula is, L means lower limit, then n by 2 means that is the total frequency. The total frequency means n is equal to here 53, so that is 53 by 2, that is 26.5. So n is the number of observations. Then here Cf is there. Cf is the cumulative frequency preceding the class, preceding the median class. So F will be frequency of median class. Median class. Then H will be the size of the interval. The size of that interval. That is 60, 72 means 60 to 70 is the size is 10. So that will be the H. H is the size of the interval. So formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into H. So L means lower limit of the class. Then n by 2 is the number of observations. We have to take n as the total value of the number of observations. By 2 means we have to divide it by 2. Then Cf means cumulative frequency of preceding the median class. Then f is the frequency of the median class, and h is the size of interval. So for this one problem only, the given value is there, n by 2 is 26.5 and L is 60 to 70 means 60. L will be 60 plus, this is median, so L plus n by 2 is 26.5, and then cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, as you see in the 13.15 table, the cumulative frequency of preceding the 60, 70 is 22. So 22. Then frequency of the median class, as you taken 60 to 70, so median class value is frequency of the median class. So here 7 is there. So 7. This is 7, and into h is the class interval, that is 60 to 70 means 10. So 10. We got the value 10. Then if we solve this one, you will get the 60 plus 26.5 minus 22 is 4.5 into 10 divided by 7. This will give you 60 plus, so 4.5 into 10 is 45. 45 by 7. So 45 by 7 is 7 6 are 42. 3 remains. 7 4 are 28. Then 20, 7 2 are. So 6.42. This will give 66.42. So the median of the score will be 66.42. So approximately it is 66.42. Then it means that half of the students scored 66.42 and half the students scored more than 66.42 marks. This is the formula for that median class to find out. Then one more example is there. So up to that one, we got the previous problem, that one 66.4. Then I have taken the class, but it was not recorded because due to quality it has not recorded. So example 7 also I have actually completed. So example 8 was in the example 8. So I will tell you the example 8, then I will tell you the example 7. So example 8 is so the given example 8, class interval as 0 to 100, 100 to 100, like that 900 to 1000. Then frequency values 2, 5, x, 12, 17, 20, like that up to 4. So total value they given as frequencies total is 100. Then you have to find out the x and y value. So for that one you have to first take the cumulative frequency table. Then what means 2? Then you have to add 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus x, 7 plus x, then 7 plus 12 is 19, like that. Add when you add on 56 plus x plus y is 56 plus x plus y. Then your last number will be 76 plus s plus y. Then this values last value will be always the number of frequency, total number of frequency, it is 100. So 76 plus s plus y is equal to 100. So s plus y is equal to 100 minus 76 will give you 24. So after finding this one, we have to find out the x and y values separate, but they given median value as 525. So if you take median value 525, they given condition, that is median is 525. Formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is here, the 28.525 is lies in the this one. So 500 to 600. This will be the class interval. So lower limit is 500. Then plus n by 2 means it is 50 minus CF means cumulative frequency of the preceding. So preceding means this is this one, 36 plus H. 36 plus H. Then divided by frequencies. F means this is frequency of that, this one 20. So 20 into H is, see the 100. So 100. This will be into 100. So 500 plus 50 minus 36 plus H divided by 20 into 100. This will give you 525, and this is 500. And then 50 minus 36 minus H. So 50 minus 36 is 14. 14 minus H divided by 20 into 100. So if you know the 20 table, 21s are 25s are. This will give you 525 is equal to 500. Then 14 minus 14 into 5 70. 70 minus 5 into h is 5h. This will give you 570. So 570, 5h is equal to 570, and this one this side, so 525. This will give you 45. So h will be 9. So 5h is equal to 45, so h will be 9. We got the x plus y is 24. So x plus y 24 means y will be 24 minus 9. So it will give you 25. So x and y values 9 and 15. So we got the values of x and y as 9 and x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 15. So you have to find largest when they given median value. Then I will teach example number 7. Good afternoon to all. This is Manjunath Vishwangi. So who are seeing the first time my channel, so subscribe my channel and share it to others if you like it. We are in the lesson of statistics. In that example 7 based on median of class. So example 7. A survey regarding the heights of 51 girls of a class 10 of a school was conducted and the following data was obtained. So height they given, height, and then number of girls. So height less than 140, same as 145, same as 150, then same as 155, then same as 160, then same as 165. This is arrow means this is less than only. So all time I'm not writing less than, so it is the symbol for that one. So 145. Then number of girls 4, 11, 29, 40, 46 and 51. So first and foremost for the problem you have to understand it is the cumulative frequency or only frequency. See, this is cumulative frequency. I'll tell you how it means. See there, they directly not given the class interval. So they given less than 140. So less than 140, so number of girls are 4. Less than number 145 means it will be 11. So 11 means it is less than 140 means 11. So it is includes also less than 140 also. So if you want frequency when they given less than, we have to add it. So this is cumulative frequency. 4 and 11 is there. So 11 minus 4, it will give you the 142, 145. This will give you 7. 11 minus 4. Then 29 minus 11, 18. Then 40 minus 29, 11. 46 minus 40, 6. Then 51 minus 46, 5. 11 minus, oh okay, 4. 4, 11 minus 4, 7. Then 29 minus 11 is 18. Then 40 minus 29 is 11. Then 46 minus 40 is 6. And 50 minus 46 is 5. So you got the frequency because they given less than. So you write in the class interval because the gap is 5, 5. So this will be 1 less than 140. 140 less. Then this one 140 to 145. Then this one 145 to 150. Then this one 150 to 155. And this one 155 to 160. Lastly 160 to 165. So this is the class interval. This is less than. So I told in the example problems that how we will convert less than, because less than means it includes the adding one number to the other number. But they given here cumulative frequency. So for frequency you have to separate it. So 11 minus 4, 7. Then 29 minus 11 is 18. So like that you have to do. If the frequency is given for cumulative frequency, you have to add it when they given less than. So 4 plus 7, 11. 7 plus 18, no. So 4 plus 7, 11. Then 11 plus 18, 29. That like 29 plus 11, 40. Like that. You have to add it. But they given cumulative frequency, you have to find frequency means you have to separate by the numbers. Then, so you got the cumulative frequency here. Then we have to find out n by 2. So n is how much you have to calculate. So this is n, 11, 29. So here is there, no, 51. So 51 is there, 51. So 51 by 2. This will give you 25.5. 25.5. Then formula is for median. So 25.5 you have to see in the cumulative frequency. So it lies in the 145 to 50, 145 to 50, 145 to 150 median class. So formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So this will give you, L means lower limit of the class. So 145 is the lower limit. So 145, then plus n by 2 is 25.5. Then Cf means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the that median class. So 15 is there, so preceding is 11. So 11 divided by F means frequency of the that class. So frequency is 18. So 18 into H is gap is 5. So 5. So this will give you 145 plus 25.5 minus 11 is 14.5. 14.5 divided by 18 into 5. So if you do the calculation, you get the answer 149.03. So the height of the median of the given girls is 149.03. It means that 50% of the students that out of 51 students, 50% of students got height 149.03 more than, and 149.03 less than 50% students have that height. Then exercise problems. So in that first one, 13.3, first one they given the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So I already go through the problems of mean and mode, so don't do it, only do the problem. I will do the problem on median. So median, so they given distribution of monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. So this will be monthly consumption in units. Monthly consumption in units, that are 65 to 85, then 85 to 105, then 105 to 125, then 125 to 145, then 145 to 165, then 165 to 185, last one 185 to 205. This is the monthly consumption of electricity in the units. Then they give a number of consumers. So this will be first one 4, then 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. So 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. So these are the number of consumers. So first we have to find cumulative frequency. So they given total number of students, total number of 68. If it is last number is 68, then it will be cumulative frequency table. But it is in the 60. It is in the class interval. So class interval means it is not lying the less than or more than. So 65 to 85 is 4. So first you have to write 4 as it is. Then 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. This is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64, and 64 plus 4 is 16. So total is 68. This is the cumulative frequency table. Only we have to add this table for the based on this intervals and number of consumers. Then next formula, median. The median class will be so n by 2. So n by 2 you have to find out first. So 68 is there. So n by 2 will be 68 by 2 34. This will be 34. So 34 means 34 lies in the fourth column, that is 125 to 145. 125 to 145. So L is 125. Then n by 2 is 34 minus cumulative frequency means before the preceding of the median class. So median class is 125 to 145. So this will be 22. 22 divided by F is frequency of median class. This one 20. Then H is also, see the interval 65 to 85, 20, 85 to 105, 20. So 20 it is. So 20 get cancelled. Therefore 125 plus 34 minus 22. It will give you 12. Then 125 plus 12 is 137. So that's 1 units. So the median of the consumption of 68 members is 137 units. So the right step that will be 137 units. Then second one, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5 and find the values of x and y. So I have done this problem in example problem, that example number 8. So if you refer that one, same question, they given median and the value of the total frequency. So you can find out the x and y. So you have to take this frequency table and class interval, then you have to cumulative frequency table, then you will get the x and y values in the form of taking the median formula. This is L plus n by 2 minus F divided by F into H. So that one you have to do. Third problem, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So the given age they given, then number of policy holders. Number of policy holders. So age is given below 20, next 25, then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Then corresponding this one 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. So they given the number of policy holders and they given the calculated median of the age if 100 policy holders. So this is the number of policy holders. If you see the last number is 100. So last number 100 means it is showing the cumulative frequency. So this number of policy holders, it is showing that one. This is not frequency, this is cumulative frequency. Why? Because the number of the given 100 policy holders. So the last number, if it is 100 means it is the table of column of number of policy holders of the cumulative frequency. Then first for this one we have to first find out the frequency table, then you have to solve it for this one. So this is below is there. So first we have to convert this in interval. So gap is the 5 is there. So below means you can take 20 to 25. No, this is 20 is there. No. So below 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, then 30 to 35, then 35 to 40, then 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. So first you have to convert into class interval. So the given in the form of less than, below means less than only. So below 20, below 25, like that the given. This is 100 is the total policy holder. So this is the cumulative frequency. Then you have to find out the frequency. So frequency means for cumulative frequency you have to add it when they given less than. But if you know the cumulative frequency, for the finding frequency you have to subtract from the numbers. So 2 is there, as it first number has to, put as same. Then you have to subtract from the below number to top number. So 6 minus 2, 4. Then 24 minus 6 is 18. Then 45 minus 24 is 21. Then 78 minus 45 is 33. Then 89 minus 78 is 11. Then 92 minus 89 is 3. 98 minus 92 is 6. 100 minus 98 is 2. So I'll check it. Frequency 2, 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6, 2. Okay. The given n value was 100. So this value is 100. So this will be the n value only. So you have to find out n by 2. So n by 2 means 100 by 2. This will give you 50. Then if you put the values, CL, lower class limit. So 50 is there. So 50 where it lies in the cumulative frequency, this one cumulative frequency, no? So 45 is there. So it will be smaller. So 50 means this will 35 to 40. So the median class is 35 to 40. Lower means 35. Then n by 2 is 50 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding. Preceding means 35 to 40. 35 to 40 means this one 45. 45 divided by f means frequency of the median class. 35 to 40 frequency is 33. So 33 into class interval is 5 is there, 5. So this will give you 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 33. So this will give you 35 plus 50 minus 45, 33. So if you do the divided by 33, that on 25. So 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So you can take 0.7. So 33 7s are 1, 2, 7, 3, 231 will get. So 231 minus 250 minus 231 will get 19. So 190 means 3 6 are. 3 6 are. So 3 6 are okay. 35.76. So age will be 35.76 years. The age of the median age will be that age of the policyholders will be 35.76. Okay. Next row. Then problem number 4. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So length is given, the length of the 40 leaves of a plant. So length, then number of leaves. So number of leaves. Their length and number of leaves they given. So length is 118 to 126, then 127 to 135, then 136 to 144, then 145 to 153, then 154 to 162, then 163 to 171, then 170 to 180. For these values they given 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. So for this one, you have to find cumulative. So before that, the intervals is there 118 to 126. Then one number is missing. So 127 is there. So it is not in the correct form. So what we have to do? So for the first class interval, 118 and 126 gap is how much? 1 is there. So how much gap is there? No. So lower limit 0.5 and upper limit 0.5. You have to add and subtract. So 118 minus 0.5 is 117.5. 117.5 plus 125 to 126.5, then 126.5 to 135.5. This will give 135.5 to 145.5, then 145.5 to 153.5. This is 136, 134. Okay, 140, 144. Okay, 144. Then 144.5 to 153.5, then 153.5 to 162.5. Then 162.5 is 171.5, then 171.5 to 180.5. See the difference here, 71, 180. So it is 9. Here also 9. So it was the first, it was the 8, and this one 8. So it was 8, but the gap was there, 126 to 127, 135 to 130. So one gap means we have to add 0.5 and 0.5 to the left and right hand side, that is upper limit and lower limit. So subtraction means it will go 117.5, then 126.5. Then you can write the in the correct order. Then you have to find the, this is the frequency. So frequency, that is n. So you have to calculate n. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 is 38, 38 plus 2 is 40. So total is n is equal to 40. So n by 2 means 40 by 2. This will give 20. But we have taken the class interval in terms of correct form. Then you have to, this is the frequency. Then you have to find the cumulative frequency table. So for that you have to take the first number as it is same, 3. Then you have to add 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 is 38, 38 plus 2 is 40. So you got the cumulative frequency table, 3, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. Then you have to substitute the values. So for this one, so first you have to find the class interval which is 20. So 20 means cumulative frequency you have to see, not frequency. You have to see the cumulative frequency table, because the cumulative frequency table, this one only the same value is taken. So this is cumulative frequency table 20. So 17 is lesser, so you can take this one. So 144.5 to 144.5 to 153.5. So this will be 144.5 plus n by 2 means 20 minus cumulative frequency preceding. This is which one I have taken? This one taken. So 17 divided by f means frequency of that median class, 144.5. So frequency is here 12, and h is gap is 9. So 9. So this will give you 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 is 3 into 9 divided by 12. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 144.5. So I cancel the table by 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 9 by 4 means 2.4 2s are 8. 1 0 8 means 2.25. So this will give you 0. Then 2 plus 2. Total 144.5 plus 2.25. Okay. This will give 146.75. 146.75 mm. So this is what the length of the leaves. The median length of the leaves is 146.75 mm because they given the length of the 40 leaves, total 40 number of leaves, and their length in the mm. So that is you have got the table. First you convert it into correct form, that is in the same class interval, not doing the gap between them. Then we have to take this is frequency table. We have to form the cumulative frequency table. Then we have to substitute the n by 12 and then the median class. We have to median class means it lies between 20 means 20, it is 29. So we can't take something because it is lesser. So real near 29 is 20 is there. So we have to take this one as the median class. So next one, fifth one. So fifth one they given. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So it is the lifetime of the 400 neon lamps. So lifetime in hours. Then number of lamps. Then 1500 to 2000, then 2000 to 2500, then 2500 to 3000, then 3000 to 3500, then 3500 to 4000, then 4000 to 4500, last is 4500 to 5000. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So then number of lamps is 14, 56, then 60, then 86, 74, 62 and 48. So they given 400 neon lamps here. So 400 means it is not the cumulative frequency table. If last number is 400 means then only it is the cumulative frequency table, but it is now only frequency table. So frequency table means first you have to convert into cumulative frequency table. So cumulative frequency table. Class interval they given. Then 14 as it is. Then 14 plus 56. This will give you 60, 70. Then 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 plus 8 is 210. So 210 is 216. 74 plus 216 means 216, 220, 290. Then 290 plus 60 is 350. 352. 352 means 360 plus 40. 400. So you got the 400. So they given n is equal to 400. This sigma f is equal to 400. So first you have to keep the first number as it is when they given the class interval. So same class intervals. Then you have to add upon the first number to second number and second number to third number like that. Then you got the last number should be 400. Then n is 400. So n by 2 will be 200. Then median is equal to L. L is 200 means 200 where it lies. N is equal to 400. So n by 2 is 200. So 200 means you have to check in the cumulative. So 130 is less. So 200 lies in this table. So 3000 to 3500. 3000 to 3500. So lower limit is in this 3000 plus n by 2 is we have calculated, that is 200 minus cumulative frequency of the previous class, previous median class. So CF is, where it is there, 3000 to 3500, this one, okay, 130. Then frequency of that, this is frequency, so frequency is 3000 to 3500 means 86, then into H is 1500 to 2000 means 500, so H is 500, so this will give you 3000 plus 200 minus 130 is 70 divided by 80 into 500. So this 0 get cancelled. So 7, this will give 3000 plus 7 5 is 35, 3500 divided by 8. So this will give you 3000 plus 3500 by, you have to do 8. So 8 4s are 32, then 3 remains, 30 remains, 8 3s are 24, 60 remains, 8 7s are 56, 40 remains 5. So 3000 plus 437.5, this will give you 3437.5. So I'll check it. Four by 2, that is 200, then 200 minus 130, that is 70, 70 by 80. So okay, this is 86, okay, 86, this is 70, then 5000, 500, okay, 500 is the H, so 70 by 86, okay, this will be, is only same, but 70 by 86 is there, so this will be 7 5 are 33,500, 7 5 are 3, so 35,000 divided by 86 means it will go, so make it, you cancel this one by 2, 35, then 2, 4, 3, then this will be 35 into 5, so 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 is 15, so 175 divided by 43, then 43, so 44 4s are 60, so 43 4s are, so 170, so you can take 4, then if you do the calculation, so 35 into 5 is 5 5 is 25, 2 5, 2 carry, 5 is 15, so 175, then 2 4s are 2 3s are, correct is there. Then if you do the calculation by 43, it will be 4.4, this is 4, then 0, then 6.98. So if you do the calculation by the help of 43 table, it will give 406.98. So this will give you 3046.98. So hours. So lifetime in hours of that lamps, neon lamps. That they given the 3406.98 hours. 3406.98 hours. That is the median of this lamps. Then system of 100 surnames were randomly picked from a local telephone territory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. So determine the median number of letters in the surnames, find the mean number of letters in the surnames, and also find the modal size of the surnames. So for this one, 100 surnames. So 100 surnames were randomly picked up. Surnames means the address of that person. So it is people from the local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. So number of letters, then number of surnames, number of surnames. So for this one, they given 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, then 10 to 13, 13 to 16, and 16 to 19. Corresponding values are for number of surnames 2.5, 5.5, 8.5, 11.5, 14.5, then 17.5. This is the number of surnames. So determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Then wait 1 to 4, 16 to, oh this one, wait I written midpoint values. So this one, number of surnames 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. Then you have to find the median, mode and the also the mean also. So I will find out in this one median and mode is easy. So I will do mean and median. So first I will do median. So for median, number of letters and number of surnames. So this is the frequency. Then you have to find cumulative frequency table. So 6 as it is, 6, then 6 plus 30, 36, then 40 plus 36, 76, 76 plus 16 is 92, then 92 plus 4 is 96, 96 plus 4 is 100. So this is the cumulative frequency table. Then so n is there 100. So sigma f is 100 or n is equal to 100. So n is equal to 100, then n by 2 is equal to 50. So if we put the formula, so 50 means where it lies 50, this is less. So this will lie in the 7 to 10. 7 to 10. So lower limit is 7. This is upper limit, this is lower limit. So lower limit is 7. Then n by 2 is 50 minus cumulative frequency of this 7 to 10 previous. So 36 divided by f of the frequency table 7 to 10, that is 40 into class interval is 3. So this will give you 7 plus 50 minus 36 is 14, then 40 into 3. So this will give you 7 plus 14 3s are 42, 14 3s are 42 by 40. So this will give you 7 plus 41s are 40, 41s are 40 point 20 is, so 20 will not come. Then 200, 45 is 200. This will give 1.05. So I will check it. 1.05. So 1.05 means this will give you 8.05. The median of that, median number of letters. So this is the number of letters. So now median number of letters will be 8.05. Means it means 50% of the letters are in the surnames will be less than 8.05, then also more than 8.05. Then I will try this one mean also will do. For mean we have to take one table, that is we have to find out the h side, that is midpoint. First you have to find midpoint for this one. So 1 4 5 5 means 2.5, then 4 to 7. So 4 to 7 means 11, 11 means 5.5, then 7 to 10, 17 means 8.5, then 13 plus 10 23, 23 means 1.5, then 13 means 29, 29 of half will be 14.5. So 16 to 19 means it will give you 35, 35 means 34, 17.5. So the class interval is 3, so you have to add it 3. So 2.5 is plus 3 means 3.5, 5.5 is plus 3 is 8.5, 8.5 plus 3 is 11.5, like that 17.5. This is the SI value. This is the number of surnames. This will be frequency. So mean means there are 3 methods, that is direct method, assumed mean method, and last one is step deviation. So this value are in the points midpoint. Then number of surnames 6 30, that is it. So 6 into 5 it will give 0, 4 into 5 0, 4. So if you multiply the numbers, if it's getting in the terms of 0, then you will directly do the fi sign. So fi sign, that is the direct method. So 6 into 2, 2.5, 25 is 150, but 1 point is there, so 15. Then 30 into 55, so 35 is 150, 30 into 0.5 is so 35 is 150, 150, and this one 6 is there, no? Wait, this one. So 30 into 5.5. 35 is 150. 30 into 0.5 is 15. So 165. 165. Then this one 40 into 85. So 4 0 is 0. Then 4 5 is 20. 2 carry 4 8 is 32. This will give 3 400. 340. 0 point is there. So 340. Then 16 into 11.5. So 16 5 is 80. 8 carry. 16 into 16. Then 8 24. 2 carry. 16 into 16. 2 means 184. 184.0. Then 4 into 14.5. So 4 5 is 20. So 4 4 is 16 plus 2. This will give you 58. Then 4 into 17.5. This will give you 4 4 is 28. Then 70. So if we calculate this one, sigma fi xi, so median is what? I am finding the mean now. So for mean, we have to take first midpoint, then only I will try the which method is suitable, that is direct method or assumed mean method, or then last one step deviation method. So first you have to take the number of surnames, that is frequency, and number of letters, one to class interval is 3. Then xi I have to find out the middle point, this one. Then I got the fi xi. For after the fi xi, you have to find the sigma summation of that. This is the frequency, so 100 is there. So sigma fi xi will be 5 5 plus 5 0, 8, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, 8, 12, 12, then is 5 plus 5 8, okay, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 6 2, 6 7 8, 12, 12 plus 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 10, 14, 14 plus 8 22, 22, okay, 2, then 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3 is 9, 13, 21, 26, 33. So 3 carry, 3 means 3 1 4, 4 1 5, 5 32. Is it coming 532? Fifteen, 165, 340, 184, 58, 70. So if you in the total value, you will get the 832. So this will give sigma fi xi. This is direct method. So formula is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So sigma fi xi is 832. Then 100. So it will give you 8.32. This is the number of letters. That number of surnames of that will be mean is equal to 8.32 letters. That surnames will be 8.32. This is 3 0, no? So 1 plus 3 4, 4 5, 5 and that 3 is 8, so 832. So 7th one, they given description below, use the weights of 30 students of a class, find the median. So I done the example problem, so same is there. So you only do that one. It's easy. Only you have to put the formula and put the values. So this is based on the median data. So there are three methods, that is mean, mode and median. First in mean, there are 3 methods, that direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. So you have to, based on this midpoint value xi, that after that only you have to select which method is suitable. If it is larger numbers, you have to take step deviation method. If it is not larger numbers and in terms of tens, that is 100, 20, 30 like that, and also if it is in the nearly smaller values, then you have to take sigma fi xi. Then you have to find out the sigma fxy, sigma fi. Then next method is mode method. Mode is the mode is which occurs most often. That is the more number of times. Then median is the middlemost observation. Middlemost observation. For that, we have to first find out the n by 2 value. That n will be total number of frequencies. And in that one table you have to one column you have to add, that is cumulative frequency table. How means if they given less than, then you have to take the number of surnames. Then 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. This is 100. So the cumulative frequency will be first number as it is 6. Then you have to add the next number 36. Then 76. Then 76 plus 16 is 92. 92 plus 4 is 96. 96 plus 4 is 100. So last number will be 100. The total number of frequency will be, that is will be last value of the cumulative frequency table. Then from the table we have to based on that n by 2 value, you have to find the median class table. Then you have substitute in the formulas, you will get the answer of the median of that letters or anything, that is height of that, like that. So I will. So this much is okay for now. So next topic I will continue the next session. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, share it with others, and it is very useful for the test students. So as much as possible you can share it, and you will get the good result. Thank you.